think the mindset that stress is part of work. Yes, stress is part of work, but manageable stress, not stress that could lead to a mental health issue or a mental health situation. So, manageable stress, yes, it's a part of work, but beyond that, it's something that the organization should already address. It's that, what they call this, it's that mindset. For example, there are some organizations who, what do you call this, it's an invisible factor in the promotion that one has to be very, very loaded with work. Maybe for a determined amount of time, maybe for a quarter or 2 quarters. One has to be ultimately loaded with work before he or she can be eligible for promotion. Of course, that's not written in the requirements. Okay. But the mindset of the leaders is that, oh, this person doesn't sleep, or this person answers at 12 midnight, or this person is available at 2 a.m., things like that. So we, what do you call this? We recognize, or we give um so much positive weight to to people who are actually stressed. So we make them models of the organization.